How to file for the self-employed tax credit before the tax deadline. Hello, everybody. My name is Rick Fronick. I'm the CEO of Work Smarter for You and Silver and Gold Solutions here in Galena, Illinois. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you information on the self-employed tax credit, and also, which is, its formal name is actually the Sick and Family Leave Credit, but a lot of people are referring to it as the SETC. So what I wanted to share in today's video is some important information. So if you haven't filed for it yet, or you have not looked into it, the tax deadline is quickly approaching here. Today is Friday, April 4th. And so there's not much time left to get this submitted. So what I want to share with you in this video today is a quick overview video that's going to show you more information about the sick and family leave credit, and then also a seamless 8-step process that you can do to actually find out if you qualify and how to calculate your claim, and also get it printed out so you can get it mailed in. So I wanted to share this information with everybody. And like I said, if you have not filed for it yet, or if you're on the fence, I encourage you to go ahead and start the process to at least determine your eligibility and see what type of refund you're eligible to get. So what I want to do here is I'm going to share a short video, and this is an informational video, so it'll give you a nice overview of what the SETC is all about. And then also what I'm going to do here afterwards, I'll show you a quick and easy way to go ahead and start the process and at least check your eligibility, so you know if you have something coming back or not. Okay, so we'll go ahead and share this video.
The pandemic was tough for everyone, especially for independent self-employed workers, 1099 contractors, freelancers, and other self-employed individuals. If you fall into this category, you likely remember the financial strain when you couldn't work due to illness, quarantine, or caring for a loved one. But here's some excellent news. While we can't turn back time, we can help you reclaim some of that lost income through government relief programs. Whether you were sick, cared for a sick loved one, or missed work to care for your kids when schools and daycares were closed during the COVID pandemic, most of us were adversely affected in some way or another. The federal government introduced a lifeline during the pandemic called the Sick and Family Leave Credit under the Family First Coronavirus Response Act, FFCRA. This program was exclusively designed for everyone who was a 1099 worker, sole proprietor, freelancer, single member LLCs, gig workers, and self-employed workers who filed taxes in 2020 or 2021. It's specifically designed for self-employed individuals like you, offering up to $32,220 in financial relief to offset the economic impact of the pandemic. Don't miss out on your opportunity to claim your tax credit, as the deadline is quickly approaching. Here's the exciting part. This program is fully funded by the federal government. The timing to apply for these funds is now. This sick and family leave credit isn't just any refund. It's a potentially substantial amount of money set aside just for you. Surprisingly, many people, including many accountants, are still unaware of the sick and family leave credit and its incredible benefits. Nearly 50 million Americans qualify for this tax credit, but are not yet taking advantage of it. So, how can you benefit? First, secure your tax credit. Our easy online process allows you to quickly apply for the sick and family leave credit. With our secure, efficient, and IRS-compliant application process, it's designed to be straightforward and hassle-free. You can get your estimate in as little as 10 minutes. Once approved, our banking partners can even provide you with an expedited advance payment in as little as 30 days, bypassing the IRS's typical 4 to 6 month wait time. Hundreds of millions of dollars from this tax credit have already been claimed by individuals just like you. Don't let your hard-earned money slip away. Remember, this isn't a refund, bonus, or gift. It's your tax dollars set aside for you. It should be in your pocket, not stuck in government vaults. The FFCRA's Sick and Family Leave Program, you get the relief you deserve, especially in these times of high inflation and lost hope. The deadline is quickly approaching, so act now to ensure you don't miss out on this tax credit. Click the link around this video to get started today. Get your free estimate today to take the first step toward reclaiming what's rightfully yours. You deserve more than just to recover. You deserve to thrive.
Okay, so in that video, it does a great job of giving a nice overview of what the sick and family.
If your family
Whoops,
was
pause that again. So it gives a nice overview. Now, this is something, like I said, I highly encourage you to look into this because it's something that you don't know. It'll take you a few minutes to actually find out your qualifications. So yeah, like it says in the video, it'll take you, you can find out how much you're qualified in less than 10 minutes. The whole process from start to finish is you could do this with in less than 30 minutes. And it's something what's really nice about utilizing this eight step process is you don't have to actually dig out your tax returns and go, find the right paperwork and everything. Because with United Business Solutions, there's a direct integration with the IRS. So you go through an ID verification process in one of the steps. And once you do that the ID me thing or the ID verification, you can actually authorize United Business Solutions to access your tax transcripts from the IRS. Now, it's just like H&R Block or TurboTax or any of those online places that can file your taxes for you. That's the type of integration that United Business Solutions has with the IRS because actually one of the people working with United Business Solutions is a former IRS representative or accountant. So it's something it is secure. And so what I would do is I'll put the link for that video, which is also this landing page here below this video. So all you have to do is if you want to watch the video, again, you can. It's got more information about who is qualified and all the uh, kind of written stipulations. But what all you'd have to do is do this claim your tax credit now, and you go ahead and start putting in your information. And let's see, let's do. I did a video on this before, so I'm not going to go through all of it. So let's just go ahead and do this. So it'll actually start this. So you go ahead and start your process just like this. So what I do want to point out too is if you it says use password to log in. So like in this case here, because I already did create an account, I'm not going to go through that process here. But if you ever get stuck and you have to go back into the 8-step process from United Business Solutions, just do this: email me a secure login link. You put in the email address that you initially put in to start creating your account, and then it'll send you another email like within seconds to have you access through a secure link. So there's everything is secure, but I highly encourage everybody to go ahead and take a look at this. Take a few minutes to find out if you're qualified. And what I'll do is also have my email address below this video here on YouTube and Rumble, wherever I post it. If you have questions and you want to reach out to me directly, I'd be more than happy to help you out. And we can either jump on a Zoom call, you can even text me or jump on a phone call and we can kind of walk through this. Okay, so I hope you got some great insight with it through this video here because it's something that it is time sensitive. I would highly encourage you to at least go through the 8-step process around by April 7th. Probably the absolute latest would be April 8th because one of the final processes is printing out the tax form, signing it and mailing it in. And with United Business Solutions, what they do is they have even when you print out the tax forms, there's a pre-addressed label that you can actually put on the envelope and then get it shipped out. So I hope you got some great insight from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and make sure you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest marketing trends and insight on what I can do to help entrepreneurs, business owners, and self-employed people out. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I will talk to you again soon. Take care.